Welcome to Files, your go-to channel for exploring the most mind-bending mysteries and theories about our universe. Today, we're diving deep into the world of quantum mechanics, exploring cutting-edge theories that challenge everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. From the possibility that our universe exists inside a black hole to the unsettling notion that the entire universe might have been created just last Thursday, these theories will expand your mind in ways you never thought possible. Get ready to question reality itself as we explore 5 theories about our universe that will absolutely blow your mind. 1. We exist inside a black hole. The Big Bang is one of the most significant scientific discoveries in human history, but it's also one of the most puzzling. When scientists first detected the background radiation of the universe, it provided crucial evidence of the Big Bang, helping to paint a clearer picture of the origins of our universe. But with this discovery came a flood of new questions, the most pressing of which was, if the Big Bang created the universe, what created the Big Bang? For decades, this question baffled physicists. How can we understand what happened before the beginning of time itself? The answer might lie in an unlikely place: black holes. The theory of black holes was once just a mathematical curiosity, but it gained serious traction after Albert Einstein revealed that space and time are intertwined, forming the fabric of space-time. According to Einstein's theory, mass can warp this fabric much like a heavy object placed on a stretched cloth. If an object's mass becomes large enough, it can distort space-time to the point where it compresses into a singularity, a point with zero volume and infinite density. This is what we call a black hole. A region of space with a gravitational pull so intense that not even light can escape. Initially, many scientists were skeptical, arguing that infinite density was impossible and that the concept of black holes was a mathematical glitch. But as technology improved, we were able to observe the effects of black holes, including the massive one at the center of our galaxy, and they were proven to exist. This led to a groundbreaking comparison. What if the Big Bang is the inverse of a black hole? Quantum physicists began to explore this idea, realizing that the mathematics of black holes and the Big Bang are eerily similar. This led to the mind-blowing theory that our universe could be the result of a black hole's creation. In this scenario, the expansion of our universe could be seen as the stretching of space-time inside a black hole's singularity. Essentially, we might be living inside a black hole, a product of an older, larger universe that created our own through this cosmic event. This theory gains further support when we look at the 4th-dimensional graphing of our universe's timeline, which shows a growing expanse from a singularity. This suggests that our universe's expansion could indeed mirror the behavior of a black hole's event horizon. Could it be that our universe is just one of many, all birthed from black holes in a never-ending cycle of creation? 2. The infinite loop. The concept of infinity has always fascinated mathematicians and scientists alike, leading to remarkable insights in conceptual mathematics. One such breakthrough came from the work of mathematician Georg Cantor, who developed groundbreaking theories about infinite sets. These theories, while abstract, led to real-world applications that challenge our understanding of the universe. One of the most perplexing mathematical concepts is the Banach-Tarski paradox. It suggests that it is possible, in theory, to take a sphere, divide it into a finite number of pieces, and then reassemble those pieces into 2 identical spheres, each the same size and mass as the original. While this might sound impossible, the math behind it is sound, albeit in a purely theoretical sense. For years, scientists dismissed the Banach-Tarski paradox as a mathematical oddity with no real-world implications. But recent discoveries at CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, suggest otherwise. During experiments involving particle collisions, researchers observed the creation of more particles than they started with, challenging our traditional understanding of the conservation of energy. If the Banach-Tarski paradox applies to the real world, it could mean that new particles can be naturally cloned from existing ones, violating the laws of physics as we know them. This could have profound implications for our understanding of the universe. Imagine a scenario where every time a black hole forms, it spawns a new universe, identical to our own. This could mean that we are trapped in an infinite loop, where universes are created, destroyed, and recreated endlessly. Each new universe would follow the same physical laws and play out exactly as ours has. Could it be that you have already watched this video an infinite number of times? The implications are staggering. 3. The multiverse theory. The multiverse theory is one of the most controversial and thought-provoking ideas in modern physics. It suggests that our universe is just one of countless others, each with its own unique set of physical laws, constants, and dimensions. This idea has gained traction as physicists explore the mathematical implications of quantum mechanics and dimensional mathematics. One of the most puzzling questions in cosmology is, why does our universe have these specific physical laws and constants? The odds of our universe forming with these exact conditions are astronomically low. This has led some scientists to propose that every possible variation of a universe must exist, each with different laws of physics. Evidence for the multiverse theory comes from the probabilistic nature of quantum mechanics. In quantum theory, particles exist in a state of superposition where they can be in multiple places or states simultaneously. The outcome of any quantum event is not determined until it is observed, leading to the idea that every possible outcome exists in a separate universe. This means that every decision you make, every action you take, could create a new branch in the multiverse. In one universe, you chose to watch this video, while in another, you didn't. In one universe, you became a physicist, while in another, you're an artist. The possibilities are endless. Philosophically, the multiverse theory raises profound questions about the nature of reality and the meaning of our existence. If every possible version of you exists in some universe, does that make any one version more meaningful than the others? Does it matter what choices you make if every choice is played out somewhere in the multiverse? These are questions that can lead to existential reflections on the significance of our lives. 4. Last Thursdayism. Taking the multiverse theory to its most absurd conclusion, we arrive at last Thursdayism, a thought experiment that suggests the entire universe might have been created just last Thursday. This idea was originally proposed as a joke, but it has since become a legitimate topic of philosophical debate. Last Thursdayism posits that everything you know, your memories, history, even this video, could have been created last Thursday. Any evidence you present to prove the universe is older than that, such as photographs, videos, or scientific data, could be dismissed as part of the illusion created during the universe's inception. This thought experiment challenges our assumptions about reality and time. If the universe were created last Thursday, how would we ever know? Every piece of evidence, no matter how convincing, could have been fabricated as part of the creation process. Even your own memories could be false, implanted to make you believe you've lived longer than you actually have. What makes this theory even more unsettling is that it fits within the framework of the multiverse theory. If every possible universe exists, then one in which the universe was created last Thursday must exist as well. This raises profound questions about the nature of existence and the reliability of our perceptions. 5. The simulation hypothesis. Another mind-bending theory that has gained popularity in recent years is the simulation hypothesis. This theory suggests that our entire universe could be an elaborate computer simulation created by a more advanced civilization. If this is true, then everything we experience, our lives, our world, even our universe, could be nothing more than code running on an unimaginably powerful computer. The idea of living in a simulation was popularized by philosopher Nick Bostrom, who argued that if it's possible to create a simulated universe, then it's likely that many such simulations exist. Given that, the odds of us living in the real universe are incredibly slim. Evidence for the simulation hypothesis comes from the strange and seemingly arbitrary nature of the physical constants that govern our universe. Some physicists have pointed out that these constants appear to be fine-tuned for life, as if they were set by a designer. Others point to the digital nature of reality at the smallest scales, where space and time seem to be quantized, much like the pixels on a computer screen. If we are living in a simulation, What does that mean for our understanding of the universe? Are we simply characters in a game, unaware of our true nature? And if so, what happens when the game ends? These questions push the boundaries of philosophy and science, challenging us to rethink our place in the cosmos.